Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. I'm excited to share with you on my hijab styling to match up with the Indian accessories. So you're gonna need a scrunchie to get a volume for this hijab tutorial. For this tutorial, we are going to do a turban style. Bring them to the back and pin it. So for this style, you need one side longer and the other side shorter. Then you're going to bring both sides together and then twist. Keep twisting neatly and carefully while you bring it up. Take the excess and hide it at the back. Now you're done with the turban. Let's guess what accessories I'm gonna match it with. Another neat hijab looks for this style. We're gonna need the same equal length for each sides. Neaten it up and pin it underneath the chin. Take the both sides of the shawl and cross over to the opposite sides and bring them to the back. For this look, I'm gonna match it up with a very beautiful layered pearl necklace. Tighten the necklace and place it nicely. Then tie a knot at the back of your shawl to get a very neat look. I'm gonna complete the look with a blazer from Forever 21. Ta-da! For the third style, the same thing, we need an equal sides. Bring both sides to the back and tie a knot. Don't forget to match it up with earrings. You're done. I hope you enjoy and gain something from this video tutorial. Thank you for watching and hit the like, share and subscribe button. Bye bye.